Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Dan and this is Dan Tech Channel. In this video we'll be talking about the binary.com platform. So this platform actually is the same. Something that I've noticed is that they are also they came up with the derivative. Remember, I also talked about the derivative, how the derivative works and all that. You can check the video in previously. That is what we are talking about. But in this video we are going to talk the mother of it all, which is binary. So if you want to trend on binary, anything to do with binary, anything to do with both, then the binary.com is just there for you. And actually let me just do, I always do this to remind people, maybe you are the first here, or maybe it's the first time to know about binary.com or any other binary trading platform. Now when we talk about binary, anything binary, this is not only the binary trading platform, because we have something like SPA option, we have deriv.com. All these are binary trading platform. And why do I clarify them all them as the binary? It's just because of this. When we talk about binary, it's come from the word, as I say, from the one by, which means twice or true. Yeah, so this is biology. Biology means that is twice, something like that, true. But when it comes to actually science, that is that is biology of the science. But when we come to computer, when we come to computerizations, when we come to something we call by, when we talk about binary, you know, computer actually runs in binary forms. When you talk about binary, we are talking about this calculation. So you have ring mean 0 1 0 1. So this is actually the binary index. Yeah, this is how computer rings. So the moment I was studying, that is electrical and electronics, we went through the binary readings of the computer. We just maybe went through the computer classes and all that. You have known about the binary, and you know that we have ones. Computer rings in terms of one and zeros, and there's no two or something like that. Computer rings is 1 zeros, which is 1 which is high, and 0 which is low. Now when we talk about highs and lows, this is what we are going to experience over there when we talk about twice. So on the binary trading, we are talking about lows, how to earn when the market is going high, or low where the market, the last digit is going to be this or this. So you can see you have two options. This is how the platform just look like. If you want to register for the first time, there is no problem. Create an account, or you can just use my link in the description below. You see that link, and this is it, how it just look like. So I'm going to be logging into my demo account so that you can see how things look like. So this is the account, binary.com, where you can just trade everything. And remember, the binary.com, here you can import your bot. If you know how to create a bot, you can create one, and then you put it over here, and then that bot will just be trending for you. Let me just go through this one, and we'll come up to bot and what else, and where to get that bot to trend for you. Okay, so I'll be coming with that. But if you just want to access the bot, I can link you with someone who can help you to get that bot, and the bot will just be helping you to trend very nicely. So let me just actually go through the review of that, where you guys get started, how you trend on the binary.com manually without a bot. Now the first thing that you just do over here is to select which do you want to trend. Which do you want to trend? Forex? Do you want to trend stocks, indices, commodities, or synthetic indices? So what I will do over here, I will just select one of it over here. So like I select volatility, that means these things are very volatile. And what I just select over here is rise or fall, or you can select whether the number is going to be even or odd, whether it is under or under, whether to all those. You can select what you want. I select rise and fall. Time when I am going to enter the market, you select now, or maybe you can select the day. On terms over here, I select, instead of seconds or minute or hours, I select ticks. When it go 1 2 3 4 5. Those are 5 ticks. Then I'll just be earning. I want to do sticks. Let me say even $100. So you can select the amount and boom. So 5 ticks, that is the minimum you can select. And when we come over here, you can see my account, demo account is having $10,000 and 50. So what I'm just be selecting over here is I select, okay, just observe the market here. So what I have to select now is to select, you can see those ticks for the 5 tick, the 5th tick here. So will it be on a higher above my line or lower above my line? So what I'll just be selecting is I just time it like this, like that. I select go down, and let's see. 1 2 3 4. Boo, I have lost the trend. So you can see the contrast lost. So the contrast lost. Let me just go to the another one. Yes, so let me just go to another one right over here, and I select this. So I will just go to it until we earn. There's no problem. So I select the 5th one to earn. Boom, and now we won. So you can see actually this contract won, and when we wins actually won, you can see it is almost gaining and almost getting back what we lost. Okay, so you can see this contract has won, the contract won, and I have won this amount of money profit, 95.32 profit. Okay, let me select another one to see whether we can earn here. I select yes, so for 5. So good, we have earned this one. So you can see we have already contract one. So actually you can make money fast here, and you can lose your capital easily, very easily. So you can see this is the capital, $10,141. So you can see we have already earned $100 after losing. So 2 trains lost, 1 train lost, 1 hand, and already made a profit out of that. So that is what you do. You can select anything that you just want over here. It can be, let's say, seconds, minimum 15 seconds, ticks, and you can select whether you can even actually predict whether the last value digit is going to be odd or even. Okay, so I select the last digit to be whatever. This is guessing work, so it look like it's going to be bet. This is why I don't trend these things, because it's look like bet somehow. So you can see we have lost that one. Actually don't even know what was going on. Just guess. Let's see how lucky we are here. Yeah, so you can see just counting. You can see lost. So this means this is very hold the number. So how unlucky am I? Lucky, very unlucky, very unlucky. Contract lost. Let's see. I go to the even number, the last number. You can see it is about the last digit. It's not even. We have lost again. So let me purchase again. See, it's going to be even. So you can see actually we have lost a lot already. It's going to be even. Yes, so that we have won that. And this time, because I'm going to be, yeah, so that's actually you trade. I don't want to trade more here. So that is how you just trade over here on the binary.com. And when it comes to portfolio, right over here, this is like where you see your balances and all that. Profit table, this is where you see all the profit that you have made and how much you have lost. You can see everything here, how much you have earned and lost on the statement also. But when it comes to deposit and withdraw, just come to the cashier over here, and then you can just deposit your money, do the bank credit, and also you can deposit crypto right over here. Okay, so you just go to the live account and then you can deposit your money. And on the resources over here, this is where actually you can go and do your strategies and draw your strategies. For example, let me just go right over here where it is trending view, and you can see it will just be opening another tab. I open another tab where I can just do my strategy to predict where the market maybe is going in the next hour. And you can see over here, this is where you can see all your strategies. You can do all your things here. You can see you have all the items available for you to do the technicals analysis. You see, everything you can do it here. You can draw your trend line here. Yeah, everything here. You can draw everything you want here, so that you can come up with what you want to trend. There's no problem with that. You can do anything right over here. So that is it. And that is all about the binary.com. That's how you train over here. So I'll be coming with more videos because we have a lot, and you can see if you don't know how to this works. So this is the explanation of how everything just works over here. You can continue to learn. You see, on the fifth click, will it be hold or it will be that way? So it's above that line. How you win. If you just don't understand, just go to the binary.com. You understand everything. I'll be coming with another video, and also make sure that you leave your question down on over there so that I can know specific what I'll be dealing with. See you next time. Goodbye. Remember to subscribe.